In today's do more with less work environment, it's more important than ever to produce and manage a qualified, motivated workforce. And that's where our next guest comes in. Capstone Corporation is an established service provider that's been successfully supplying mission and technical support to government, technical, and business sectors for over 20 years. Joining us for a conversation on what it takes to succeed in challenging times is Bill Moore, president of Capstone. Bill, welcome to Talk Business 360.
Oh, thank you very much.
Bill, companies and organizations are looking for ways to move forward in challenging times. Where should the focus be?
Well, in times like these where there's constrained economic environment and a challenging but fast-moving economy, I think companies have to focus on being able to offer a service or a product that is cost-effective and really meets the client needs. And I think you have to have a better understanding of what those client needs are by really listening, paying attention to where things are going for that client and how you can satisfy that, how your products can be redefined or how they can transform to really address those needs. Those who can't do that, I think, are going to have a difficult time in these times.
You believe that reciprocity at all levels is an important factor for motivation and success for a workforce. Can you expand on that?
Well, I certainly can. Our company began with 2 people and has grown to over a 400-person workforce. And one of the ways we've done that is by involving everyone in the growth of the company. When we gain new business, we always reward those who have associated with getting that work. We have a program that looks at who is responsible, and this may go down even as far as one of our prime examples was a phone call once that an employee told me to make. And that phone call ended up resulting in the company winning a contract, and that was worth several $1,000s to the young lady just because she was able to do that. That reciprocity is something that employees in your workforce and your management force remember. They take into account. They think about it. They know the company has their back and that the company will be supporting them and giving them the opportunity to be successful. Our motto is working for your success, and we think of that as both internally and externally to help our clients be successful, but also to help our employees be successful. So reciprocity is kind of the key to getting a motivated workforce and satisfied clients.
Well, Capstone has grown steadily over the last few years despite turbulence in the economy. What's been key to your company's growth?
I think the key has been consistency, and of those things that are part of our core values and our culture, but at the same time, the ability to change those things that need to be changed to address the environment that we're in. If clients have less money that they can spend, they still want value, and you need to be able to demonstrate to them how you can take them where they need to go or assist them in getting to where they need to go within the constraints that they are facing. If you show that you can be on their team, help them get to where they need to go, they're going to use you. If you can't show that, if you've got something that's maybe a backward-looking product or something that's mired or constrained, people will see that also. People need to be successful. They want to move forward. You've got to help them. Where you can show that, I think you're going to succeed. That's what's happened for us.
Bill, it's been a pleasure having you on the program. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for the opportunity. I appreciate it.
That was Bill Moore, president of Capstone. You can find more information about Capstone by visiting capstonecorp.com.